Hi guys, I'm a little bit under the weather today, but I know I promised you a weekly video, so here we go. Let's jump right in. My number one thing that I started doing was Botox. This may be a letdown for people because, everybody does Botox, but what is so great about Botox is that it actually has two effects. The first effect is an immediate effect where it kind of helps make you look refreshed. It helps reduce dynamic lines, which are lines that you see with movement. Makes you look less tired, less angry. So that is the main reason people do Botox. But actually the more important reason is the second reason, and that is extremely anti-aging. If you do Botox on a regular basis and keep up with it and don't let it wear off all the way, it prevents your skin from getting stressed by those constant muscle movements, and it prevents permanent creases, and it keeps your skin quality great. Botox is my number one recommendation for most patients. I try to do it every 3 to 4 months, and I really feel like that has really helped my skin to stay in good condition. I will actually post another video later that shows somebody who had quote unquote natural Botox to prove the effect. Stay tuned and see you next time.